Hey guys, Chris here with another Harbor Freight tool review. I am going to be reviewing the 5-speed Central Machinery 5-speed bench drill press. I got this for $69.99 at Harbor Freight. Comes with a keyed chuck, has a work light. I'm not sure the size of it, maybe 8 inches or so. It does have a table that rotates, and you can rotate it up to 45 degrees side to side, and you can raise it and lower it. It's got these handles. It's 5-speed. You change the speeds with the belts up here. It has a nice chart which shows you how to get what speed you want using the belts. It doesn't come with any extra belts, so if your belt wears out, you're gonna have to get another one. But, has a depth gauge here on the side, and it has a switch for the light. So if you don't want the light on, you don't need it on. Yeah, I'll show you the drill in action. They have several of these. They have one that was a little bit more. It didn't have the light on. So I'll put you on the tripod and find a piece of wood. I haven't drilled metal. I've drilled wood with it so far, and it's worked just fine. But I'll have to really test it out and get some metal and see how she does. Let me get a piece of wood here. You know what? I'll actually drill a piece of metal right now so you guys can see how it works. Piece of metal. I'm gonna center punch it. Okay. Drill bit. They do have floor-mounted drill presses. They have bench ones. So the floor ones are normally around 100, or normally around 200 and some, up to 300 or 400, I think, for like a 12-speed. This drill comes disassembled as well. Basically, you just have to put the table on, attach the base here with these 3 bolts, and put these handles on, and put the chuck on, which it doesn't tell you in the instructions. My only gripe about the instructions is it doesn't tell you how to put this chuck on. It just acts as if it was supposed to be on. Maybe it was supposed to be on, I don't know. As far as I can tell, it just pushes on. You just take it, there's a shaft that comes down, you just push it up on, and it just seems to hold it that way. I haven't had it come loose from drilling through the wood. We'll see how it does here with metal. We get something to lubricate it with a little bit. Okay. Raise the table up a little. Get some safety glasses. The light, it's a really yellow light. It does help, but it could be a little bit brighter. I don't know if you can change out the bulb for like an LED or something. But it does help illuminate what you're looking at, so it does its job, I guess. So, spray this on. Turn it on. So that went fairly well. There's the hole. This is, forget what size of metal this is. It's pretty thick. It's pretty thick steel. So, and my drill bits aren't the sharpest. I have been meaning to get some sharper ones for a while, but went through pretty good. Used a little cutting oil, and that seemed to help keep the bit cool. So, I haven't really used it for any repairs or anything like that. I've just fiddled around with it with wood mainly, and just testing it out. So, we'll see how she holds up. You adjust the table with that nut there. My only gripe is that the light, I would have to say the light, you can see it's just a yellow, ugly looking, incandescent looking bulb. I mean, it's just, it could be so much more brighter with the right bulb in there. So that might be simple enough as just putting a better bulb in. I don't know. But works well. Got your on-off switch on the front, easy access. Mounted on your bench. It does have holes. I need to get screws long enough, or bolts long enough to go through that and go through the bench that it sits on. But I am going to mount it down. It's got a little bit of weight to it. It's a pretty small drill press. Like I said, 8 inches or whatever. I don't think it's 10. So I'm pretty happy. I mean, for 69 bucks, this thing should make a lot of your projects go easier. I wish I would have had this a couple months ago when I was doing the train horn install on my truck, because I was just using a handheld drill, and it took a long time, and the bit kept coming loose, and it was just not fun. I was drilling through this type of metal, the same size stuff, and I didn't like it too much. It took a long time, and with this I could have made it so much quicker. It would have been done about an hour faster than it would have took the way that I did it. Anyways, I would definitely recommend it for you guys. If you pay, I think, $20 more, you get one that is slightly bigger, I think. It doesn't have the light. There was something that it has that this one doesn't. I don't recall what it is. You'll have to check out the website and see. But for, I mean, 70 bucks, you got a pretty decent drill press, which I think it comes with a lifetime warranty, as all your tools do. So if it breaks, you just take it back anyway. But I would definitely recommend it. So thanks for watching, guys.